A busy day for the president.
A lot of very good stops, so we look forward to it.
Heading to Miami-Dade County, the heart of the virus's Florida epicenter. Flirting with infection records daily, dozens of hospitals at capacity.
Back in April, and this is now. This is how many admissions that we're having to our hospitals.
The lines to get tested impossibly long. And in this part of the state, more than 33% are coming back positive, compounding the problem at ICU after ICU.
When you lose a 49-year-old who came in, told the nurse on day one, I don't think I'm leaving this hospital, and he was right. In all honesty, we don't feel like we're moving anywhere positive in the right direction.
Very grateful also to be
But that's not the president's message while courting Florida's all-important Latino vote, downplaying the virus.
We're still fighting it, and we're going to do very well. We're testing at a level that nobody's ever tested before.
If you'd stand up.
Or at a visit to talk up drug enforcement, trying to change the subject entirely.
We're setting records on jobs. We're setting records on many different things.
But it's impossible to avoid. Greeted by masks at every turn, not wearing one himself, directly contradicting the advice of his own health officials.
We really believe that the uniform use of masks in all metros and in all areas with rising new infections, particularly counties and metros with over 5% positivity.
The pandemic is seeping into the president's plans, despite his best efforts. Plans for a weekend campaign rally in New Hampshire nixed officially because of the weather, but amid concerns a storm of new infections could follow in one of the few states where the spread of the virus is still stable. Salima Shivji, CBC News, Washington.